very good.
Very good. Feel better, I believe, kasi kailangan ng katawan kasi very athletic kasi naglalaro kami. So, kailangan talaga ng maintenance. So, sobrang okay. Thank you.
Because I have too much back pain in my whole back. It's I have too much stress.
Pain? Where's the pain?
Yes, I have pain here. And then pain in the back also.
Sorry about that. Okay.
It's not possible here. So much pain.
Too much there?
Too much. If I force like a tandem sleep in my back.
Okay. Different?
Yes, no more pain.
No more pain?
Yeah.
All right, sir. Welcome to our clinic this morning. What can we help you with?
Because I have too much back pain in my whole back. It's I have too much stress past few days because I cannot sleep. My longest sleep is 4 hours a day. So I work as a delivery courier, and then in my work, the kind of work is too much stress. Even you have back pain because if you're riding motorcycle, it's not possible to. And then the mental awareness also it affects when I run. That's why I came here to
Okay.
try our chiropractor.
You also have muscle weakness. Where do you feel that?
In my left side.
Outside.
When I take the dumbbell, this left is no power, only right. That's my weakness in my left.
Okay. And it's fatigue because you can't
Yeah,
sleep?
I can't sleep. You see my eyes now, like I don't know.
Puffy.
Yeah, like, and then the black.
Yeah, black.
It's become. I face in the morning in the mirror. Oh, so disgusting. I see myself like I don't know what is the.
All right, I'm sorry to hear that. So let's get you started. We're going to do some exam, right? So sit up straight if you can. All right. So you're going to tuck your chin and any pain there?
Yes. Too much.
Too much. Where do you feel the pain?
Here in the center.
Okay. Pain? Where's the pain?
Yes. I have pain here. And then pain in the back also.
Pain?
No, here.
All right. On the other side. No? Where is it at? Right there? Okay. Okay, good. Your back. Pain. Where do you feel it? Right there, there. Okay.
It's too much pain here.
Sorry about that. All right. I'll turn. Sorry about that. Okay.
It's not possible here. So much pain here.
Too much there?
Too much. If I force like a tandem sleep in my back. Wake up.
Alright. Take your time. Tuck your chin in. Different?
Yes, no more pain.
No more pain? Different?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Where's the pain?
Still have here, little. Only little. Maybe 10%.
Better.
But
Better.
too much better.
Okay.
Especially here in my.
Yeah.
That's the one. Maybe the cause of that.
Right.
Because I even pop up, I feel all of my back. It's very different now. I can sit. Before I can like that. Now I can try to relax like this.
Flip to the side. Easier?
Yes.
The other side.
Yes.
Okay, now turn.
Number one, I still thank you for this institution. Chiropractor is very good. I release the pain in my back, and I will recommend it here to go here because it's very helpful to your health, and maybe I feel I have a second life with this session. Thank you.